Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we're going to look at how you can avoid scam while trading P2P transaction on Bybit. We'll see how you can avoid scam because there are currently a lot of scammers right over there. And the first thing you must not do, you must not perform any transaction with anyone that is using PalmPay account, right? You must not perform transaction with them for the meantime. Now let's go there. Clicking on the P2P, you can see even the P2P themselves, they are actually notifying you that you shouldn't perform any transaction with these people called PalmPay. So whosoever is using PalmPay now, do not perform transaction with them. So please note that with PalmPay, users can delete bank account record. Resolving related issues may take time and also consider alternative payment method. Okay, now I'm going to click on acknowledged to acknowledge this. Okay, so one of the major thing again I want you to look at is that when you choose your transaction partner, right? Maybe okay, you said you want to purchase 5,000. Okay, click on buy. The moment you click on buy, it will bring you to this interface. If it brings you to this interface, navigate yourself straight to this place. If you navigate yourself straight to this place, you can see where you can actually contact the seller. So when you get there, I'll tell you the tactics some of them use. I'll tell you the tactic they use. But before that, permit me to introduce or to mention CoinX. Are you actually tired of the complicated crypto exchanges? Are you looking for a fast, safe, and beginner-friendly platform? Then listen up. I will tell you about CoinX. CoinX is one of the most reliable and users-friendly crypto exchanges, trusted by millions worldwide. Whether you are a beginner or a pro trader, CoinX gives you everything you need in just one place. Now I will tell you why you should use CoinX. Because it's super easy, it has a clean interface, fast navigations, and also perfect new users interface. You can also trade over 1,000 cryptocurrency, including the BTC, ETH, meme coins, and all the trending coins that are available instantly. It's also fast and have a low trading fee. It is safe and secured. You can buy crypto with your own local currency as well. That is, funding your wallet is simple. Deposit, trade, and withdraw anytime. So what you can do on CoinX? Now listen up, I will tell you. You can do spot trading on CoinX, feature trading. You can swap any of your coin instantly. You can stake and also earn. You can do same copy trading. And also airdrops and also giveaway are also available here. Everything you need to grow your crypto portfolio is available right here. Because it's reliable and fast, perfect for users who want simple and also stress-free trading. Whether you are investing, trading, or withdrawing, CoinX make it smooth and simple. All you just need to do is to navigate yourself to your Play Store, download CoinX, sign up because it's user-friendly, do your KYC, and start trading. Thank you. Welcome back. Let's continue. Click on this. It will bring you to this interface. Now you see what this person is talking about. It said, drop your good review, please. Drop your good review, please. And also drop your good review, please. It's saying this 3 times. Okay. Now, let me tell you. When you come to this place, you might actually try to text this person. Are you available to trade? Okay. He will now notify you if possible immediately. Now, this is what some of them does. Some of them will actually ask you that you should drop the receipt outside Bybit. You should drop the receipt on WhatsApp. Okay, they will ask you to drop the receipt on WhatsApp because blah 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 blah. They want you people to tighten the transaction relationship and whatever. Okay, so they will find a way in order for them to deviate you from this place and make you communicate with them outside Bybit. Do not do that. You can be easily scammed. Okay, and some of them that are using PalmPay, that's why you were warned. The moment you send money to them, they will delete the record and send an appeal to Bybit that you haven't paid them. All right, and because they are Bybit partners, okay, Bybit may quickly like listen to them before you can solve such issue. Will become a serious matters to you, and if not lucky enough, your money will get lost. All right. So that is it. And sometimes some of them will be telling you, okay, add something for me because of charges and the others. Even 15 naira do not add. Because the moment 15 naira is being added, is already outside the volume of your transactions. If the money was 5,000 and you send 5,000, 15 naira is not the amount. That also can be used to freak you. All right, and sometimes some of them will tell you, okay, Bybit is actually charging us higher, so for that, please, I'm going to reduce 2,000 naira from what I'm going to pay you, or you add so amount to what you're going to pay me. Do not listen to that. Don't do anything outside Bybit ethics and principles. Okay, if you are looking for who to trade with, if they are not actually available, look for another person. It's very important. Look for another person is very important, and do not allow any of them to lure you into anything you did not sign up for. All right, so actually what you're going to do is to actually look for all these verified users, like very VIP. There are lots of VIP here whom are actually doing their transaction fairly. They're God fearing people, and sometimes it even pays you automatically. You don't even need to do anything, but all you just need to do is to release their coin quickly or as soon as possible. Okay, so let me show you something. How can you actually find these verified advertisers, those VIPs? Okay, you can see sometimes these are sign of those VIP. Okay, these are sign of one of those VIP. So look for those people to trade with them, and most of the times they pay better. All right, so let's see how we can find these people. Navigate yourself to this very place. You can see this, like what do I refer it? Like a funnel. Okay, it's a search bar button. Now you go straight to click on it. If you click on this search bar, you're going to click on show only eligible ads. Okay, all right. Then, so the moment you click on this place, you're going to show only verified advertisers. Okay, only verified advertisers. You're going to click on this one. Then coming to this place, if it's all here, you're going to choose this 15 minutes, because this is the time frame you want to be operating while performing transaction on P2P. Okay, and again, you're going to come to this place to click on this overall sorting. Click on this overall sorting. All right, if you click on this overall sorting, all you just need to do is to come to this place to click on confirm. If you click on confirm, it's going to bring out to you those verified advertisers. Those ones are actually genuine VIP. Okay, you are choosing your range, you are choosing the kind of people you want to trade with, and the others. All right, you can see all those ones. They will pay you instantly, or they will release your coin instantly. You can see all the symbols here. Those ones are VIP. And if you check it out very well, you can see the range you wish to operate with them. You can see 15 minutes here. You can see this is the range you wish to operate with. 15 minutes here. You can see this person 15 minutes. You can see this person as well 15 minutes. So whoever is here, they are all 15 minutes. And you can see verified, verified, verified. But this one has an insufficient fund. Okay, everybody see here will now be what? Will now be verified. Okay, it's just that their own price actually might be different from what you think. Okay, so if you want to sell, you have to like do the same thing. Click on sell. Okay, if you click on sell, you can see those people are actually still here. All right, those people are actually still here. And if you want to check the range or the amount you want to trade with, maybe your limit of trade maybe is 50,000. Come to amount, click on 50,000 and click on confirm. They'll bring you out the range of all these people, the range of all these people with 50,000. Okay, there is an how you can make how you can make how you can make transaction, a very profitable transaction running only P2P. There's a serious arbitrage here, but the difference is that you must have a huge capital. Okay, maybe you must have a huge capital. Maybe come to this place and click on maybe 200 will be reasonable. So if you have 200k right here, you can see there will be some difference and also some reasonable profit for you. Okay, so you must do all this one in order for to avoid what, to avoid being scammed on Bybit P2P transaction. Okay, so if you do not have a Bybit account yet, I'll drop the link at the description section for you to sign up using my link. All right, and if you need a personal mentorship, you can also chat me up. I'll drop the link to my WhatsApp and also the link to my to my telegrams so that you can chat me up. And also the community is open, you can just dive in, the bill is just low. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.